How to enable or disable the Simplified Quick Settings panel in Windows 11. The Quick Settings panel is a handy Windows 11 feature that lets you configure your system's network, volume, brightness, and battery settings directly from the taskbar. While it's designed for convenience, having too many toggles can clutter the interface and increase the risk of unwanted user changes. In this video, we'll show you how to enable or disable the Simplified Quick Settings layout in Windows 11 using the Registry editor or PowerShell. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. 2 methods for managing the Quick Settings panel. The Quick Settings panel replaces the old Action Center and gives users easy access to controls like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, battery saver, and accessibility tools. Simplifying this panel hides non-essential toggles to make the interface cleaner and easier to navigate, especially in environments where end users don't need full access to system settings. The Registry method is ideal for individual systems or pilot testing before enterprise rollout. Press Window+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to. If the Explorer key doesn't exist, right-click Windows, choose New, Key, and name it Explorer. On the right pane, find or create a new DWORD 32-bit value named Simplify Quick Settings. Double-click it and set the value data to 0, show the full Quick Settings panel, default, 1, enable the Simplified Quick Settings panel, click OK, then restart your PC or sign out and back in to apply the change. Once enabled, you'll notice a cleaner Quick Settings panel with fewer toggles. If you're managing multiple devices, such as in an enterprise environment, PowerShell provides a faster, repeatable, and automated option. Press Window+R, type PowerShell, and press Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Copy and paste the command that fits your goal. To enable Simplified Quick Settings, to disable and revert to full Quick Settings, restart or sign out and back in for the changes to take effect. For complete PowerShell deployment scripts, including registry verification and remote device rollout, check out the full guide in the linked blog post. Why should you manage the simplified layout? Here's why you might prefer a simplified Quick Settings panel. Streamline the interface, prevent user misconfiguration, enforce organizational UI consistency, improve accessibility. In short, it's about creating a controlled, distraction-free workspace while maintaining the right balance of usability and administrative control. While Windows 11 doesn't offer a GUI or GPO setting for Quick Settings customization yet, Registry and PowerShell methods give IT professionals full control over layout management. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable Simplified Quick Settings in Windows 11, linked in the description below.